Hello guys and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could fix a Windows 10 computer stuck on working on updates screen. The first thing, if your computer is now running and it is still stuck, you want first to force turning on and turning off by pressing the start button or the turning on turning off button on your keyboard on the computer. You want to press it until the computer shut down and you want to restart again. Once your computer loads as normal, you want to go to your search tab and you want to type services. Once done, you want to go or press the W letter and we will go till updates. You will double click on it. We will click, you need to select disable, and you want to select the startup type in general disabled. You click apply and you click OK. Once done, you can go ahead and close your services.